Could you introduce yourself? Because we are
Yes,
first meet. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, so my name is Pratibha. I have
Mm-hmm.
done my graduation and
Mm-hmm.
I'm from MP,
Mm-hmm.
district Chinwada, and
Mm-hmm.
I have here and I stay with my family. Yeah, it's all about me.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's okay. And yeah, I'm also from Madhya Pradesh.
yeah.
Yeah, from Rewa. Yeah, I had completed my graduation, and I have two kids. Yeah, one in he, and yeah, I am also housewife, and nowadays I started I think last month I started my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, so I am learning this language.
Same here, ma'am.
Yeah,
Same here. I'm not
yeah.
YouTube, but nowadays I'm learning English, so that's why join. I'm connecting different of people, so I increase my communication skill. That's why. Yeah.
This, because this thing is very good. Means you talk each other and gain your confidence and your vocabs also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
So do you have any topic to discuss about?
Yeah. I have no topic. Yes.
Hmm?
Because right now I'm not prepared. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll give you a few word. You can make a story. Okay, 5 word I'll give you, and you make a story. One child, uh, umbrella,
Yes.
cloud, and rain.
Okay.
So you make a story.
Yes. Yes. One child.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays everyone wants to only one child because they have no facility uh, to provide I think 2 or 3 children, so that's why everyone wants to one child. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And nowadays it is a fashion like that. Ki only
Yeah.
everyone wants to everyone wants to only one child.
Yeah.
That's reason behind that. And second is umbrella. Umbrella is used, it used, it's raining day.
Yeah.
It is raining day, and it is protect to sun.
Sun.
Yeah,
Yeah. Sun. Rains also. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And third is, I forgot.
Cloud. I think. Yeah, I
Uh,
see cloud. My
yeah,
God.
when
I'm so
yeah
sad.
when a cloudy day, I feel very how to say, I feel very uh, that sometime I'm enjoying and sometime I'm depressed, because that time my machine, I think washing machine is not working. That time I feel very
How
hesitate.
how to dry
Yeah.
cloth? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, yes. But
Yeah.
that time we want to go outside. That time I'm enjoying the cloud.
Wow, that's great. And one is rain. I think rain. Rain.
Yeah, I don't like rainy days because
Mm-hmm.
sometimes when we have live in a village, that time I don't like rain. But nowadays I living in cities, so the right now I like rain. But there that time, no, how to say, there is no um, pakki sadak.
Yeah,
Yeah, road. Yeah, so
actually,
I'm so problem. So that time I didn't like rain.
rain. Or vehicle, we want here to want to go there, here to there. So how we can go because we vehicle not move on muddy sadak. Yeah, muddy road. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good. You make good story. Means very good. You performance. You are very
thank-
creative. Mm, but you know, I what why I give you. like you describe one word alone,
Yes, yes.
but I want to say you make story, make means all word join and make one story. So yeah, but don't worry, you explain very well, you explain very well. Yeah.
I'm not actually, ma'am. Nowadays, I'm learning. So,
So I,
right
I
now,
am also learning. Yeah, I
right
am
now,
also learning.
what is the doesn't came don't came in my mind.
Okay,
That's
you know, you explain very well. You know, you means I feel very proud. I am talking with you. Your English is very good. Don't afraid about it. Yeah,
it's because you are nowadays you are doing very well. Because when I seen many lady, she is doing work hard on YouTube. Because
yeah,
ma'am, it's my opinion. Um, it's my opinion. I think we are facing. I'm doing every domestic chores, but
yeah,
uh, somebody, yeah, some family members um, uh, judging you. But that
yeah,
time nowadays it's very good facility available on YouTube. They are not judged. And most of the times, ma'am, I'm thinking when I'm talking to each other.
yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, because I am and you, like some uh, how to say, एक जैसे हैं, everyone
yeah,
को yeah, so
yeah,
there are no judging uh,
yeah.
you. That's why I feel very comfortable on with conversation. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very good thing to talk each other, and means they may everyone understand your what is your situation, because everyone learn English. So yeah, they encourage you, means they not laugh at you, means
Yes, yes,
everyone yeah. So yeah, this thing is very good.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any question for me?
Um, I have question for you. So, ma'am, tell me the story behind how to create. How did you create your channel?
Okay. Okay, channel. Yeah, you know, I am very curious about learn this language, and I able to speak that time when I create my channel. But I have not confidence. Mean that time I have didn't confidence talk to someone, and how to talk someone, means what the people say about me, how she speaks. So I thought I make my YouTube channel, and you know,
Yes,
I seen what this lady name Yashoda ma'am, his
yes,
channel. So yeah, he's just again very confident, means when he upload his first video, and now he's doing very well. So I try to upload one video somehow, means I gain my confidence and make my video, and oh my god, how I upload, what people say about me, my I am not speak good, but somehow I upload video, and after uploading video, everyone say, yeah, you are doing great, and you do. So after making 2 3, I think 2 3 uploading video, my confidence level boost. Like yeah, I can do this thing. So
yes.
means after making my YouTube channel, I gain my confidence fully, I gain my confidence.
I,
Yeah.
yeah, because ma'am, I'm asking to you because whenever you didn't make any video, so how to running your channel that time?
Actually, I never thought this means yeah, when I not upload 1 and 2 days, so I feel means I feel I not did anything, something is missing. So it's a
Yes,
I it's a become part my life.
yes, yes,
Yeah, means I every day do make video and upload there, and nowadays I started talking to people. So yeah, this is very nice thing, you talk with people and upload there. So without uploading, how you gain your channel? It's impossible. It's
yes,
impossible. Yeah,
yes,
because
yes,
you people connect you learning new things.
Yes,
If you
yes,
upload video, if you gain means gain your knowledge, then they watch your video and subscribe your channel. So if you not do so, how anyone?
yes, yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, how to increase your communication skill? Wha- What do you
You
do?
talk, I
Yeah,
only talking and listening. I suggest you only listen and talk. And if you teach your kids, everyone, like I do, I used to this thing. So if you teach your kids, this is very nice thing. And if you able to read, write, so if you have time, so you do. Because I have not enough time. When I get time, so I teach my kids. So while teaching my kids, already I read and write something.
yes, yes, ma'am.
And while making video, I read something there and speak, so I gain my fluency. So yeah,
Yes, yes, yes. Because
everyone have another journey. Like if anyone, someone read, someone write, someone read, write, means all things they do. But I can't do. I only used to teach my kids and
okay,
speak. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, you are speaking very well.
Thank you. Actually, you watch my first video. I very stuck. Like I not able to speak. Speak very little sentences. Yeah, my name is Prarthana. Like this. And after 2 months, I don't know how this magic means. I touch. I not procrastinate one day. I touch to English every day. I practice.
Yes,
This is,
yes,
I maintain consistency. Yeah. So that's way this thing able to speak.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You are very work hard. Yeah, yeah.
Sometime I do, like when my kids, actually my kids little, my younger one is 4 year old and elder one is 8 year old. So
Okay.
so sorry, when they sleep in night, and then I made my video, because there are noise, and if you have
Yeah,
kids, so every time means house crowdy.
yes, yes,
So yeah, I did.
yes, yes.
And I
Yeah.
am doing. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So so do you want to open your channel?
Actually, ma'am, not yet because I am not confident how. That's why, because I have no idea about YouTube, how to upload the video, how to and what type of content I'm uploading. That's why I'm not confident because whenever I have some content, so that after that mm, I'm thinking about,
Yeah.
yeah,
If you want to upload any kind of video, so there are available on YouTube. You search like how we upload on YouTube video, how we edit video, means all thing available there.
yes,
i
I know.
i I learn
actually
only. Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, I'm thinking when we have not a co-learner with
Yeah.
talking to, so that time what should I do? Because
Yeah.
there are many co-learner, they upload our video, but
Yeah.
yeah, so actually we have a extra something new,
You. Yeah.
so we want to upload like some stories,
Yeah.
that type of so yeah,
That's very good. If you are thinking about a story, and story very nice thing. If you want to learn any language, like first I uploaded a story and I try to make stories video, but nowadays I not do. But I try to upload like this video, because story and story is very nice thing. Everyone want watch story. If your kids and if you are big elder, so everyone want. Yeah.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Eh,
So yes, yes, I'm thinking one day will come. That time I open my channel. If
Okay.
if God blessed me, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
best of luck to you.
Thank you for connecting me.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.